Recently I purchased this GoPro Hero 5 from Costco as a bundle. I haven't had the chance to play with it, so it's still the stickers are there. So to go with this one, I ordered a bundle. It was 50 to 1, 50 pieces in one package from Amazon, all the mounts. So it came from a company called Neewer. And what I like about it, so they did send you this little booklet, and it also has a little thing from Lucas Parker. He's the VP of customer service, and I can register the product, and there's a warranty. So let's see what's in the package. I just got it this morning. I haven't had the chance to look at it, so we are opening it for the first time. That's the package. So it comes with a case. Case is not a hard shell, it's a kind of a soft shell case. But hey, it was about $29.99 US from Amazon. So let's see. I'm going to open up what's in here, then we'll go to the next compartment. So this is the rubber, the plastic. This is the buoyant one. So it's always good to attach your GoPro to this unit if you are planning to take in your GoPro in anywhere close to a body of water, because otherwise it's going to sink. So this one is the most useful one, or it will save your GoPro. I believe this is the, I haven't opened this one either. So this is the one that goes on your wrist. So there are two locking mechanisms there, so you can put it like that. Then once you close that one, oops, then you can put this one here. So that's for the safety, so it just stays secure. So I'll put that away. This is the chest harness. So one of the reasons that I really like about this one, I have a 6-year-old son, so he's into tennis, so he can wear this one. Hopefully this will fit him, and we can watch what he sees, and if there are any mistakes that he can correct his he's playing tennis. So that's the main reason I like about that one. Okay, what else is in there? This is the part. They don't actually. Yeah, it must be a list of things. No, I don't think so. So this is the one that fit on either bicycle handle or your motorcycle handle or any pole. And so the pole goes, so the bicycle handle goes here. Then this one comes apart, so that's how you fix this one. So that's for the bicycles. So I'm just going to put that one there. And these are two connected. There are 3 fingers here at the top. So these are the 2 fingers. Nail, so that's like that. It'll get fitted to the you can have an extension, or you can put your GoPro right here. Here, let me show that to you. So either you can fit it like this, like that, or you can have an extension. So let me put that back in here. I'll do that off camera so it will be a lot faster. So there are a few of those things comes. Oh, okay. So these are. So this one is a. So if you have the mount that is already, I think I will be able to show those things. Hopefully there are some mounts that comes with this one. So let me come back to this one in just a moment, so that way I can show it to you properly. This is your suction cup. One of the main things that I am looking forward to having. Okay, so it has two different kinds of control, up and down, and this one, so you can change it. Okay, so so let me show that other little piece. Okay, so you put your GoPro over here, so it goes in one of these ways. There we go. So that's the purpose of having that little piece. So in order to remove that one, there we go. So this is going to be my favorite thing. I want to have this one attached to my car, and I'm doing some restoration of some classic cars, so this is definitely going to be the one that I'm going to be using. Okay, so we talk about that. Let me put that back in there. The product seems to be okay. All this Velcro and these bands from the other one, they look pretty good. It looks strong. I believe this must be the headband. So so this is the one that goes on the head, and the camera goes here. So that's there. And this part, this one you can attach to your, that's okay, you need a lot of pressure. So assuming that you have a cap, you can attach this one to the cap, and the camera goes over here like this. Okay, let's see if I could just attach it, and then you put a lot of pressure like that. Oh, that takes a lot of pressure, and that goes on your cap, so stationary. All right, so that what was in this side of the bag, I believe. So I'm just going to remove this. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you what goes over here. I'm not sure whether it's, no, that doesn't fit in there. I assume that's where you most of your accessories, if you want to carry it with you, to take it there. So you do have a bag. So these are mounts. Then you can, hey, somehow or the other they had some sort of a piece of paper in there. So one of them is a curve mount. Both of them are curve. So these are for helmets or any equipment. Let me show you. I did bring a helmet. So for something like that, you can see it goes on the helmet. It's on the curl. So you remove these adhesive pads. You remove this side and apply here. Then the red part goes over here, or vice versa. So I'm just going to put them back. Or that could be attached to a surfing board or whatever that you're going to be using. It's got to be a clean surface though. Okay. I have no idea as of yet. Had to do some research. There is some sort of a tool. I'm not sure, and I believe this is a. So assuming that you are attaching your GoPro to one of the other devices, so this is to attach this one to another device and stick it in just to secure the camera, so the camera you won't lose the camera in case if it comes undone. Some more little mounts. There are a whole bunch of these things. I'm not sure whether we are going to use all of them, but again, these are all different types of clips. For example, let me see, where did I put that one now? Okay, so here is your adhesive mount. So you just want, I think that goes like that. There we go. So that's the reason all these mounts are there, and the connectors. So there are 2 of them and 2 connectors. That's that. Oh, this is that Octopus Tripod. So these things can be vented however that you want. So you can attach to a tree or pole or whatever that's there to so secure your GoPro. I will need that one in just a moment. There is another buckle. Okay, so this is another one that I am looking to have. So this is the one that connects to your regular tripod. For example, this one. Here we go. It's threaded. So some people are saying it's not threaded. It is threaded. So it goes like that. Then you can have one of the extensions, or you can have your GoPro. Okay? So then your screw goes over there to secure it. I'm going to find out if this one I should have. I have many tripods close by, but I don't have anything unscrewed. So, but I'm going to unscrew one of the tripods and see one of those regular tripods that goes on a camera to see. So some more adhesive pads and connectors or mounts. This is a very interesting one. So this again goes on. So this is an arm. So you have this mounted on your helmet. Then there is a connector goes here. Okay, let's do that. One way or the other is supposed to go in. Okay, this get connected here. Oh, sorry, this one get connected like that. So imagine. Then so how do I get this shot? Let's see. Okay. I don't think I can get that shot. So it's get attached to your helmet. Then your GoPro goes over here. So imagine you're riding the bike and you can talk and what you can be in the picture while you're riding. Okay, so that's the purpose of that. So put that away. I doubt that I will be using that, but oh well, it's there. So that's what I like about it. There's a whole bunch of this stuff. So this one also goes on your helmet, or you can put this one any way you want. This is to, I believe this one goes, you have to figure it out to put them inside your vents of your helmet. Can you see the vents? Okay, there we go. So it's get attached, assuming that you want to have your camera here. So here we go. I wonder if you can see it. There we go. That's for the helmet as well, so it's on the top. These are the ones, sorry, this is the one to attach your camera to as a protection. You have You thread this one through, you attach this one. Okay, so this is, again, you can remove the adhesive pads, get attached, and you thread this one so you won't lose your camera. So that's to secure your camera, especially in a boat or a car if it is on the external side. So that way you won't lose your camera. So actually, I'm very impressed. This is pretty good. There's a lot of stuff with this one. This is some Velcro, again, to secure your camera, or you want to put it on your wristband. And this one is your extension. Now this is a monopod. However, so this is your selfie stick. It's about a yard or so. Okay, so this is where you I am not that impressed with this part. It doesn't look that secure. I believe I'm going to go and get a GoPro product. I believe that will be a lot more secure. You know, yeah, using a $300 product on this one. This is the only one that I'm not that happy with. So it doesn't look that great. I mean, $29.99, what do you expect? So you may want to consider getting a GoPro. These are your cleaning material, I believe, to keep your GoPro waterproof. So I haven't figured it out how to use it. I think there's a little pieces that opens up. So I could be wrong. So that one I do not know exactly. So let me get a regular tripod head and see if it is, if that little thing fits on regular tripods. Well, unfortunately no, because the regular tripods have a bigger so this is what you normally use with a normal camera, like a DSLR. So it doesn't fit there, so so you had to get a different threading. Actually, let me see if I could remove. No, so at least it doesn't work on that one. I might be able to get a different tripod, because I want to use a when I'm doing videos, I want to use a bigger tripod with this little piece. Overall, I am very happy for $29.99 US to get all of these things. If I try to buy the GoPro stuff, this one alone is $47 US, and I was told that most of the and this is a generic brand, as long as it works. I'm not going to put this one outside the car because I'm not sure how well this is going to fit into the outside of the car. I don't want to lose it, but I'm going to use this one inside the car on a windshield or side or on the side window. So I'm happy with it for $29.99. I'm happy with all the products, and go ahead and I believe that this is a good purchase, good buy. I will put a link on Amazon at the bottom of the on the description one. So again, I'm not that happy with this monopod, so may want to get the GoPro product, which is a little bit more cheaper compared to GoPro product. But this is, I'm not that happy, I'm not that confident with this product. Other than that, everything seems to be good. This case seems to be okay to carry your stuff. I haven't figured out how to use it, but down the road. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, my first time getting all these GoPro stuff. Thanks for watching.